Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet very beautiful coasters. I can also stack them together, and they will become a lovely flower. You can use a string to tie them together and make a keychain. These coasters are truly very versatile, and I hope you will like them and crochet along with me. To crochet this coaster, you will need to use a 2.5mm crochet hook, cotton yarn, sewing needle and scissors. Okay, let's get started. First, using white yarn, create a magic ring. Chain 2. Crochet 1 double crochet into the magic ring. Chain 1. Crochet 1 double crochet. Repeat the sequence. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 10 more times. At the end of the row, slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning of the row. For the second row, you will chain 2. Then, crochet 2 double crochets into the first stitch. Chain 1. Crochet 2 double crochets right into the space where you chained previously. Chain 1. Continue to crochet 2 double crochets. Repeat the sequence. 1 chain, 2 double crochets into the space to the end of the row. We finish the row with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Chain 2. Then continue to crochet 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Crochet 3 double crochets right into the space where you chained previously. Chain 2. Crochet 3 double crochets right into the space where you chained previously. Repeat the sequence. 2 chain, 3 double crochets to the end of the row. We finish the row with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Now we will switch to green yarn to crochet the part that represents the leaves. Slip the hook through, chain 4. Then, crochet 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Crochet 1 double crochet into the space. Chain 2. 1 double crochet in the same space. Chain 2. Repeat the sequence. 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet to the end of the row. 2 chain, 1 double crochet to the end of the row. We finish the row with a slip stitch into the third chain. Now for the flower part. We'll change the color for the flower center. I will use yellow for the flower center. Chain 1. One single crochet in the same stitch. In the space between the 2 leaves, similar to a V shape, we will crochet 6 double crochets. In the next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. Repeat, crochet 6 double crochets into the space. One single crochet. Very easy, right? Please repeat this sequence to the end of the row. Finish the row with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. It's already looking pretty good at this point, but it still needs more flowers. So let's continue. I will use pink yarn to crochet the flower part. Insert the hook into the stitch between the single crochet and the double crochet cluster we just made. Chain 1. Crochet 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat chain 3. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. I know you understand the repeat rule, right? Chain 3, 1 single crochet in the next stitch to the end of the row. See, we've created the border of the flower now. Finish the row with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. It's finished now. You can also arrange the coasters into a flower shape, which is very pretty and perfect for decoration. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video to give me more motivation for future videos. Thank you for watching my entire video and see you in the next video.